In the middle of a bright green forest, there lived a big elephant named Toby. Toby was huge and strong. His long trunk could lift heavy branches easily. All the animals knew Toby was powerful. But Toby had one little problem. He loved being lazy. Every day, Toby would lie under his favorite shady tree. He would stretch and say, "This is the perfect life. Why should I work? I'm already the biggest animal here." When he felt hungry, he slowly walked to the river, ate some grass or leaves, drank water, and came back to nap again. Meanwhile, the other animals stayed busy. The squirrels collected nuts, the beavers built small dams, the deer searched for fresh plants. Even the tiny ants worked together, carrying food much bigger than themselves. But Toby just watched them and smiled. "They work too much," he said. "I'm strong. I don't need to worry." Days passed, then weeks passed. Slowly, Toby started feeling different. He became tired after walking only a short distance. Running felt hard. His legs felt heavy. Even though he was big, he wasn't as strong as before. But Toby ignored it. Then, one summer, something terrible happened. The forest stopped getting rain. The river began to dry up. The grass turned brown. Fruits stopped growing on trees. A drought had come. All the animals became worried. They worked harder than ever. Some animals dug deep holes in the ground to find water. Others traveled far away to search for food. Everyone helped each other. Everyone except Toby. Toby stayed under his tree and said, "I'm not worried. Food will come. It always does." But this time, it didn't. After a few days, there was no food left near him. The river had almost dried up. Now Toby tried to walk far to find food, but his legs felt weak. He got tired very quickly. His breathing became heavy. One night, Toby felt very hungry. His stomach hurt and he couldn't sleep. "I wish I had worked harder," he whispered sadly. "I wish I had prepared like the others." Just then, a tiny ant walked past him. The ant looked up and said kindly, "You are big, Toby, but being big is not enough. We are small, but we work every day. Hard work makes us strong." Toby felt embarrassed. The tiny ant was right. The next morning, Toby made a promise to himself. "No more laziness. I will help." He joined the other elephants to search for water. At first, it was very hard. His legs shook. He felt tired quickly. But he didn't stop. Day after day, Toby kept trying. Slowly, his strength started coming back. He used his powerful trunk to push down fruit from tall trees so smaller animals could eat. He dug deep into the dry ground to find water. He helped carry heavy branches to build shade for the younger animals. The other animals noticed his change. They smiled at him. They thanked him. And little by little, the forest began to feel alive again. Finally, after many weeks, rain clouds filled the sky. Rain poured down and the river filled again. The drought was over. But Toby had changed forever. He understood something very important. Being strong is not about size. Being strong is about effort. From that day on, Toby never stayed lazy. Whether it was sunny, rainy, or cold, he always stayed active and helped others. And now, the animals respected him. Not because he was the biggest, but because he had the biggest heart and the strongest will to work hard. Moral of the story: laziness makes you weak, but hard work makes you strong. When you stay active and help others, you are always ready for challenges.